Hey people! So I hope everyone is doing okay and safe and fine. So today, I wanted to try or make no yeast cinnamon rolls. Come on, let's bake. And this is the adventure of the small kitchen. So preheat first your oven. And then afterwards, I have already greased a pan. This is a cheesecake pan or cake pan that I wanted to use. So you grease it, and I just put this paper just to not really stick at the bottom because there is cinnamon and sugar in the filling. So, and then afterwards, you set this aside. First, we do our buttermilk. Since in the supermarket here, there are no available buttermilk, what we will do is we will make one. So, 1 cup of milk. And then you add in 1 tablespoon of lemon or vinegar. You mix that in. Then you let that sit for 5 minutes. In a bowl, we put in our flour, 3 cups of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. Doesn't need to be labeled or spoon. We put in our 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of salt. We put our vanilla. We whisk this all in together. So after we have combined the dry ingredients, we put a little hole in it, and then we add our milk solution, the buttermilk, in the middle. See, it has formed a little solid. That is our buttermilk. And then we pour in our melted butter. So make sure that you melt the butter first so that it will have time to cool down and you don't have to wait. Mix this. Don't over mix the butter. So just gradually, slowly mix it until we form a dough. So when our dough has already formed into a ball, we will now spread this and we will now put in our filling. Okay, we will now roll our dough. So we slightly floured our surface. So you roll your dough into 13 by 6 rectangle. So when you have shaped your dough into a rectangle, we will now spread our butter. 5 tablespoons of butter on top. So you would have to spread this evenly. We will now sprinkle our brown sugar. Press it down so it will stick. And now we will sprinkle our cinnamon. We pat it again so that it will stick to the dough and the butter. So once that is done, we will now roll it into a log. So we would have to roll this tightly. So now we will cut our log. Divide it into 9 lugs.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
So we are now going to bake this for 15 to 20 minutes or until it is already cooked and golden brown.
You fill my head with roses.
While the rolls are baking, we will now be making our brown butter for our frosting. So we will just have to melt that. So continue to cook this and scrape the sides until it has turned into a different color, a light brown color. So you see, it has already turned into, or already have some brown specks, and you will smell that it will have a nutty aroma. So once you have that, you turn off the heat. So once you have this, you would have to put this in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes until it has turned to solid. So in a bowl, we will now have to beat our cream cheese and the brown butter. So make sure your cream cheese has already softened, because it's gonna be hard if you didn't let it sit for a couple of hours outside. Look, our brown butter has already become solid.
Could reach everyone, there'd be no wars.
We now add our vanilla. pinch of salt. And our sugar. So we beat this until we reach a soft peaks. Guys, it smells so good in here. It has rices because of the baking powder, the baking soda, and it added crunch because of our buttermilk. Yummy! What I did to the butter for the frosting, I don't know what to say. It's so good. It's so good, guys. Try it. I'm not joking. Oh my goodness. Yes. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, but since it has a lot of ingredients, it's all worth it. It's all worth the time, really. My goodness. Try it, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in another one. And by the way, guys, like this video for the YouTube algorithm, or subscribe to my channel. It would help a lot. Bye!